afternoon. I think you applied for the contest that he had on YouTube, which is winning a private jet travel with Saygin. I just wanted to let you know that you might be going with him on the 29th to London.
What? How is it? I don't for the UK, for the jet. I'm not interested. What it means? There is better.
Sorry, I did not get you.
Like, I'm not interested to sit on the jet because everyone can sit on the jet to go anywhere. But
What do you mean anyone? I cannot afford to go on the jet.
no, I don't care because I'm rich myself. I don't care about it because.
So why did you apply to the contest?
It's how I can tell you, like, to sit with a mentor, you can achieve in your life. That's why.
Ah, okay. So you want to sit with Saygin?
Yeah, it's to talk with. If you know, if you have a money, if you want to know what to invest in,
Yeah.
to meet up is the best. You get, you know.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
How are you?
Very well, and yourself?
I'm good. This is Lana calling from Saygin's office.
Yes, hi.
Hi. So you're following us on YouTube, right?
Yes, I am.
How are you liking the channel so far?
It's extremely interesting. It's still interesting to look and kind of learn some things along the way.
That's great. I hope you get to implement a few things.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. You had applied to fly with Saygin on a private jet, the contest?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
I did.
you might be flying with us on the 29th to London.
Oh, that would be amazing. Is this a prank call or?
No, it's not a prank call. I hope there's no one pranking on our behalf.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, so congratulations and...
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Serious? No way. You're serious.
Yes, I'm serious. I will be sending you a text message right now. If you could share with me your email address, and then we will be coordinating from there through email.
Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Well, you deserve it.
Wow.
You deserve it.
Oh my God.
All right.
I'm speechless.
That's great.
Do you know I actually meditated on this, like literally watched the video over and over and over and over, wrote it down on my wall and in a gold book.
What did you write?
I wrote that 100%. I said I am so grateful and happy that I'll be flying on a private jet with Saygin.
Wow, that's actually very good. If you meditate and think about something a lot, then it will happen. And that's the type of attitude we want, which is always being positive. So yeah, that's great.
God. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. That will be fun. Do you know how you can tell you have a very, very successful product? Look at this burger place at night. There's still a huge line.
This body is going to be burned into ashes, but you have a soul that will live forever. You have a soul and a spirit that will dwell throughout eternity. Where will your soul be? Where will your spirit be?
Yeah. Hey, yeah. Yeah.
So I really love how London looks. It's beautiful. And congratulations again to the private jet flight winner.
Yeah.
It will be amazing, and I have a surprise for you guys.
Yeah.
And stay tuned. So I see you soon in London.
Yeah.
I'm on my way back to Dubai. See you there.
Oh my, what a wonderful time. Been a minute since I pulled up outside.